Worried about security vulnerabilities in your supply chain? Introducing Points of Interest, POIs, in Sensos Sync, your shield against potential threats. Imagine strategically placing virtual checkpoints along your shipment route, automatically alerting you of any deviations. Set virtual checkpoints at key locations along your shipment journey, such as warehouses, borders, or critical infrastructure points. Receive real-time alerts if your shipment strays from the designated route or fails to reach a POI within the expected time frame. Proactively address security concerns before they escalate, minimizing risk and potential losses. Now, imagine your system automatically detecting a route deviation and triggering an alert. Take control of your supply chain security and prevent disruptions before they happen. Visit our website to learn more.